Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Boss from Home. So you guys know on Fridays we love to talk about how you can use print on demand to start off an online business and make real money. And this is especially great for those of you who have no design skills or experience at all. So if you're looking for a fresh, high-ticket product to add to your print on demand store, today's video is going to be for you. So we're diving into how to sell custom embroidered denim jackets, much like the one that I'm wearing right now, how you can sell this online, especially using Printify's great new unisex denim jacket. I'm going to walk you through everything, why this product is great, how to set up your store, design tips, pricing strategies, and marketing ideas that actually work. So go ahead and grab your notebook. Let's get started right now. And just a quick heads up before we dive into today's video, making money with print on demand, it does take time, it takes effort, and it takes strategy. So your results may vary depending on your designs, on the marketing that you choose, and how much work you're willing to put in. So this video is for educational and inspirational purposes only, and it does not guarantee any specific income or success. So always do your own research and be patient as you grow your business. So first, why focus on embroidered denim jackets? So unlike your typical printed t-shirts, these jackets are high quality. They're made with 99% ring spun cotton with a little spandex for comfort. So they're durable, they're stylish, and the embroidery adds more of that premium feel that customers are willing to pay extra for. And because they're a bit pricier, they naturally bring in more profit per sale, which is exactly what we want when we are scaling our print on demand business. So denim jackets, they are timeless fashion. People love custom jackets for gifts. They love them for couples matching outfits and even small groups like clubs or teams. So this means there is a wide range of customers for you to tap into. So even though denim jackets, they might seem like more of a spring or fall staple, they're actually a great item to sell even during the summertime, especially the embroidered ones. Things like summer evenings in coastal areas, they often get chilly, so people still need some kind of a lightweight layering option that adds style without overheating. And so an embroidered denim jacket, it's perfect because it's breathable, it's durable, and it makes it really great for those, those cooler nights by the beach or outdoor concerts or casual hangouts. Plus, the custom embroidery, it adds just that spark of uniqueness and a personalized touch that lets customers express themselves in a season where fashion, it's all about fun and individuality. And from a business perspective, summer is a great time to promote these jackets as part of festival outfits, vacation wardrobes, or even early back to school prep for those who are thinking ahead. So the embroidery design sets your product apart from the standard denim jacket. So this appeals to people who are purchasing who want something exclusive and something more meaningful, which means that you can position it as a premium item that is worth investing in. This season also gives you a great opportunity to target niches like the music festival goers, the travelers, or anyone who's looking to elevate their summer style with more of a lightweight jacket that stands out. Okay, so now let's get practical. How in the world do you add this jacket to your Printify store? So first you're going to log into Printify.com and search for the Threadfast Apparel 370J. I think this is the unisex denim jacket that we're focusing on. And you're going to check the product details, including the fabric, the sizing, and the colors that are available. Next, upload your embroidery design. And remember that embroidery files, they're a lot different from regular print files. So you will need vector files or high resolution art that works with embroidery. So if you're not a designer, don't worry. There are tons of affordable designers on Fiverr or Etsy who can help you create these embroidery ready designs. Next, you'll place your design carefully I see that chest pockets, they're a great spot, but you should also consider maybe the sleeves or back panels depending on Printify's customization options. And then preview how it looks through the mock-ups, my favorite. You can also adjust the sizing as you might see needed. This will show you what your jacket looks like in real time. Okay, now let's talk design. So embroidery, it does have its quirks. So simple, bold shapes and clean lines, these work best. Intricate, tiny details, they don't really translate very well. So some ideas that you can use include monograms or initials, which are great for personalization, minimalist logos, maybe even icons like small florals, animals, or shapes, bold text with, fun phrases or even team nicknames, seasonal themes, during the holidays or school spirit. This is great. So contrast is key here. You want a color that will pop against the denim. So colors like white, gold, red, bold colors, they stand out beautifully on dark denim. Okay, so pricing. Pricing can make or break your success here. So Printify's base price for this jacket is a lot higher than the basic t-shirts. So you do have to factor that into your final price. And so a good starting point to price your jackets is between $70 to $120, depending on how complex the designs are and personalization. So think about your target customer. Are they willing to put in that extra money for a premium gift or a custom team apparel? You want to adjust accordingly. Also, don't forget to include the shipping costs and the marketplace fees if you're using platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Okay, so finally, marketing, all right? Here is how you can get eyes and sales on your jackets without having to spend a fortune. So you can use Instagram and TikTok to show off styling ideas. People love seeing how jackets look in real life. So create short reels or maybe stories that show different outfits, how you pair them up with your jacket. You can also collaborate with micro influencers or groups, in order to show more of your jacket, and use hashtags like maybe embroidered jacket, custom denim, or niche tags for sports teams, clubs, or gift ideas. So offer limited time discounts or even bundles with matching items like maybe a hat or a t-shirt. So adding in a bundle can help because when people are paying premium prices, they usually want to know that they're getting great value. So as you're building up your trust with your customer, you can add in a few extra things to earn their trust and give them something more to come back to your shop for later on. Also, don't underestimate a good quality photo and honest reviews. Those can build trust really fast. So continue building trust, giving your customer premium quality, and over time you will receive more reviews, which ultimately means more trust with your audience. Okay guys, so that is how you can get started selling your embroidered denim jackets online. I know you probably have a bunch of questions, so let us know down below. I would love to answer some of your questions. And also, don't forget to check out the description box down below to get you started as you open up your own Printify print-on-demand shop. This is my gift to you, and I really wish you all of the best as you get started. This is a fun new product that just hit Printify, and I want you guys to take advantage as I am as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you have any questions, let us know down below. Subscribe because we have much more coming to this channel. Every week we will be talking about how you can use Printify to sell online, and subscribe because you definitely want to be in the know as we continue talking about this product and all of the other products that they have on their website, because there are plenty more that we will get into very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will chat in the next video.